The best part about this unit, guys, is the lace. The lace is impeccable. Like, look at that lace. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. Hey guys, how's it going? So we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Beautyforeverhair for sponsoring today's video. So this unit that they sent me today, guys, reminds me of a unit that I reviewed for them 3 years ago. And I'm gonna leave a card up here. The unit was very pretty. It is the style FB30, guys. So it's a really nice kind of highlighted mixed type of unit. Very, very cute. So they did go ahead and send me their 7x5 Byebyeknots version of this one. You guys know this is like the new upgraded cap. Very nice. So this one is more easy shake and go style unit. So it's going to be a very easy install today, guys. As you guys can see, the color is super pretty. The hair did come with the nice curls already pre-put in it. So all I'm going to do is amplify it up and style it. Now this unit did come with the middle part, but I'm going to go ahead and do a side part, add a little bit of a layer into it, kind of show you guys how the 7x5 looks. Very, very nice, guys. It is pre-cut, guys, and it also has a C-shaped formation on the cap as well too, just to make it easier and more comfortable when you put this unit on. The unit is going to actually lay very nice as well too. It does come with an adjustable strap hook area, and it does come with your hooks in the back as well too. So this unit is going to be very, very secure. So as you guys can see, look at those Byebye very nice. You guys know I'm going to go ahead and spray this with my tinting spray in my color dark brown. It is pre-cut. You guys can see they did like kind of like a, you know, shape on the pre-cut area, so it's pretty much, you know, ready to go. You guys know how it goes with baby hairs. I'll decide once I install what I'm going to do, but I'm going to go ahead and side part it up. I love, love, love the color, guys, and this is similar to the color of the video that I did for them previously, so definitely go ahead and check that video out. So you already know the deal. I'm going to pop this unit off and pop this unit on. Alright, y'all, as you guys can see, the wig is pretty nice. It lays very, very flat. I actually ran out a little bit of my tinting spray, so I got as much as I could on there. I did go ahead and trim a little bit of the lace off, but this is pretty much what it looks like right here. So I did go ahead and comb out the curls. The curls are kind of like in soft curl form, guys. They're not super tight, but the hair color is very, very pretty, as you guys can see. A very nice, pretty color. I do love the color. So we're going to go ahead and do the side part, like I said. I'm just going to kind of draw it. You guys can see, look at that lace. Look at those Byebye. Like, the lace is fire. Look at that. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do a side part. See how much I want out. I think it's going to look really nice. You guys can see the lace itself is clear and nice and clean. Look at that. I didn't have to glue the unit down. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Very nice. They pre-plucked it and everything, so it's very, very pretty and soft. Just gorgeous, guys, gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna kind of leave it. I don't know if I'm gonna do baby hairs, but you guys know that's always up in the air when it comes to doing these videos with me. Like I said, this is 7x5, so you get a good amount of parting space on here. Like, I think I'm gonna do a side part as far as that. I'm gonna use a little bit of my wax stick just to make sure that it stays in the direction that I want it to stay in. Very, very simple steps, guys. This is such an easy unit. Shake and go. Quick install. Keep it pushing. So, then I get it like that. I feel like this little piece right here wants to do like a little baby hair swoop. We'll see, but I think it would look cute. It falls really natural there. You guys see how natural that falls? So that might have to be our baby hair swoop right there. So, love it. I love the color. Very pretty. So I think that's as much as I'm going to do, and all the other hair will fall into place. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of my hairspray just to spray the area down so it can really make everything stay flat, especially in this area right here. It's a little, you know, that part is kind of high, so you gotta get that real, real flat. But you guys can see right here, you guys kind of see where it ends. The C shape on this unit makes it very comfortable, guys, and the unit sits flat on your edges so you don't see anything. Looks very, very natural. You can go ahead and pull a little bit of your natural edges out on it, which is perfect as well too. All right, y'all, so I got the hot comb. Again, it's as flat as I can, as flat as possible. Very natural looking too, though. You know, we don't want to make it look too, you know, crazy. But look at that. Look how this hair just kind of melts into it. Very easy, nice and simple, honey. Alright, y'all, so I got the part down pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and add some layers to it because we want it to look natural. I think I am going to lay like a little baby hair right here. So I'll probably just start off with this little part right here. Just doing like a nice cute little baby hair right here. Nothing crazy. Because it makes sense. The hair just falls perfectly in that position to do like a nice little baby hair. So we'll do it. I'm going to go ahead and layer this so that it falls correctly. I think that's enough hair to get it the way I want it to. And we're just gonna go ahead and do some layers. I'm just gonna go straight down, jagged. Nothing special. I'm not a hairdresser, so don't come for me. You already know. I do the best I can, and the best usually comes out popping. So I'm gonna actually layer this little part here. This just gives it like extra volume at the top. if you layer that piece off right there. A little right here as well too. Just makes it look bouncier when you kind of, you know, do those top parts. And then kind of leave the bottom the same. So I think, let me see, how far does this piece go? So this piece right here could definitely go for like a little light layer. Even though it's in the back, it still shows in the front. So we're gonna go ahead and dip it right here and come down. Pretty. Oh yeah, cute. So I like that side. I think that side looks good. This layer is a perfect length right here. So we're gonna go for that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. This side, we're gonna kind of do the same thing. Obviously, because I have like this bang part here, so you wanna get it real nice. I'm gonna do this part first just because it makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a nice layer. Try not to get it too short in the front because I'm gonna wanna go back in and make it and cut it a little bit more. So I think that's good right here. Good. Gave me a nice bang. Look at that. Okay, so this one came out good. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the part down here and probably get a little bit further back, about here. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this down as well. This is a cutting tutorial, guys. Am I doing a cutting tutorial? So we got that good. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and do some layers at the top right here, just because it gives more bounce at the top if you have like a little bit of a layer up here. Trust me, try it. Looks really cute when you do it that way. I'm actually gonna do one here as well and just kind of cut it downwards. Like, you guys see that layer right there? So that looks good. And I can also go in right here and do another soft layer right here, just so that when it gets pulled up, it goes with the top. So perfect, perfect, perfect. So I want to go ahead and see how this hair curls. So let me go ahead and grab a piece in the front. We're obviously going to touch it up with some hairspray, but I want to just go ahead and test the hair out to see how the curls are. I feel like it's going to be a nice curl set, guys. I think the layers are pretty. Hair is super soft as well too, so I think we're going to get something magical going on with this one. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And I gotta go ahead. Oh, that's a nice curl. I can already tell that's going to last. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some of my Got2b glue because I want it to be a firm spray because I don't have any pins to hold it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around her finger and just spray it with some of that Got2b glue's freezing spray. So that's what the front looks like right here. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of hair at the very rim and kind of see what that curl's giving too. Again, I did layers at the top portion so that you guys can get more bounce. Trust me, it works. So do the layers like at the top right here where the part is at, and you'll get more of a bounce. And the hair has good grip too, guys. Very, very nice. I can already tell it's about to come out bomb. I can just tell, I sense it. So I'm gonna go ahead, yep. Hair's gonna curl lovely, guys. I could just tell. All right, y'all, so I got the hair in the curl. So that's like the perfect little loop right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the one in the back right here. I want the curl to be kind of like a nice form curl. And nice so that it kind of pulls back when we pull the hair. The hair's very nice, guys. It's super soft though. So you will have to add like a little product to it just to kind of keep everything intact. I would recommend that. So, yeah. Okay, so that looks good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the front curl up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other hair out so you can see kind of like what that's giving on both sides. So, this side here, you guys can see, look at that. Gorgeous. Go ahead and pull back on this section here. And you guys can see the hair looks absolutely stunning. And it's like, oh my gosh, you guys, you just combed out them beautiful curls, but who going out there with them little Shirley Temple curls? Not me. So, so I like that. Looks really good. So go ahead and pull my comb through so we can make everything go in unison. Let's see. Nice. So I'm gonna ahead, pull it in unison and spray it at the same time so that it flows in formation. And I did go ahead and cut that little baby hair up and curl it upwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that little part. I feel like this bang area is actually nice as well too. It gives like a really kind of nice fall. Love that. Fall's pretty. Hopefully I'm seeing this nicely because I feel like it's giving what it needs to give, honey. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just spray the top. Definitely feel like it's giving like a classic type of curl style, like the classic, you know, hairstyles from back in the day, honey. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is use a little bit of my hairspray on my baby hair brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just pull a little bit of this hair in the front here just to make it look smoother and nice. Remember, this is not glued down, it's just glueless, but we're just trying to give it like a little bit of a lift and a nice look. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb just to kind of top it. I'll just burn myself too, but I held that down like a G. So just to top it and make the front look smooth. Y'all see how smooth that looks? Perfect. We got a little curl on it. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead with that same baby hair brush, and we're going to use the Got To Be glue for the baby hair just to make sure it lays down pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and just, fold it into the hair. Make it look nice and pretty, nice and light, nothing crazy. Look at that. Nice little baby hair. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. Absolutely love it. Let me just show you guys real quick. The baby hairs are not plastered. I actually broke them apart so you guys can see the baby hairs lay very, very soft. And again, the unit is glueless, guys. Very, very glueless all the way through. It's a very pretty unit, guys. I love the color. Like I said, this is exactly the same color that I reviewed before from this company. Obviously, the cap construction is completely different, guys. This is a 7x5. It's a nice color. This the PB30 is a very pretty, guys. I feel like they did a good job with the start of the highlights. It's not all the way at the top, which looks unrealistic. It looks more of like a natural grow out on this one. Absolutely love it. Hopefully, you guys like my little layering tutorial today. It was nothing crazy. I want to show you guys how it layers off. The best part about this unit, guys, is the lace. The lace is impeccable. Like, look at that lace. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. Like, I didn't have to do anything to it. I had a little bit of tinting spray, and that was that. Did a little bit of styling. They did go ahead and tweeze and pluck this hairline to perfection, guys. So if you don't know how to do any of that work, it already comes to you done. So that's something beautiful and perfect. Absolutely love this, guys. I feel like the layers look nice. The hair is very soft. This is not a very large density unit, guys, which I do appreciate. It's about 150% density. So you get like a little bit of, light density to it. The curls look very nice. They're kind of into like a nice loose wave. Very, very nice and realistic, natural looking and soft. I did kind of trim the ends a little bit, guys, to shorten it up a little bit. It's about at the top of my boobs, which is a nice length. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. But overall, I'm impressed. I think that this is definitely giving what it needs to give. Very, very cute, guys. And look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. Look at that. Hairline is impeccable. The unit fits my hair comfortably. It's just giving everything springtime, summertime. If you're adding a little color to your life, go ahead and try this unit out, guys. Chef's kiss. Just perfect. So guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Beautyforeverhair. As always, hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.